Hi, my name is Becky Wallace from Wallace Accountancy and Bookkeeping, and today I'm bringing you a video about bookkeeping basics. What are we required to do? So here we go. So what is bookkeeping? It is the process of maintaining financial records, recording all our income and our expenses. And who needs to do bookkeeping? Well, all sole traders need to do bookkeeping. Anyone that runs a business needs to do bookkeeping. We all have an obligation to keep accurate financial records. So why is it so important? It helps us to understand the financial position of our business. The information is available if we want to apply for some credit, for some loans. We're legally required to keep the information. Missed information is likely to cost us money, and it will help us to identify those errors. So what do we need to do? So first we need to decide if we're going to have cash accounting or accruals accounting. Now the difference is that cash accounting, we only record transactions when money goes in and out of our account. And with accruals, we record them when we get invoiced those bills, regardless of whether we've paid them or not. Next, we need to choose the method of bookkeeping. How are we going to record those transactions? Is it paper, on an Excel spreadsheet? Are we going to use accounting software? How are we going to store our records? Are we going to keep them in a file if they are paper copies? Are we going to have Dropbox, Google Drive? Are we going to store them on a PC? How are we going to keep those records? How will we categorize transactions? Are we going to label everything as expenses and income? Or are we going to separate it into utilities or even further into electric, water and gas? We need to set up our accounts or records. We need to get that book to write in. We need to set up our accounting software. We need to get prepared. And then we need to carry out our bookkeeping process, keeping a track of all of our income and our expenses throughout the year. And then we can relax because our finances are all in order. So accounting software, what is it? Should we be using it? Now bookkeeping should be done regularly, weekly, at very least monthly, and accounting software can make this process so much easier and quicker for us. Here is some software that you might have heard of. Thank you for watching. This has been Bookkeeping Basics. What are we required to do? I'm Becky Wallace, Wallace Accountancy and Bookkeeping. Take care and stay safe.